Day 5 of the demo. So basically just, this room actually hasn't changed since yesterday. I did take off one baseboard, and like notice there's, I don't know, about a 1/2 inch gap. So that's fun. And this room we finished cleaning up, put everything in bags. So all the lath that was piled up here is gone. Started taking off some of the baseboard over there. But yeah, looking clean. This whole section's done. And so we use these bags and some black garbage bags to fill up, like, you know, halfway. Put them in this black yard waste bin and then tied a rope and then just drop them out the window. So that worked pretty well. That's it.